Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. But have you ever wondered how Python programs actually work in the background? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the inner workings of Python and understand how it executes our code behind the scenes. When we run a Python program, the Python interpreter first reads the source code and converts it into bytecode, which is also known as intermediate code. This process is called compilation. Bytecode is a low-level representation of our code that is platform-independent, meaning it can run on any machine that has the Python interpreter installed. This is what makes Python a portable programming language. Next, the Python virtual machine, or PVM, comes into play. The PVM reads the bytecode and executes it. It translates the bytecode into machine code, a set of instructions that the operating system and processor can understand. This process is known as interpretation, which is why Python is called an interpreted language. Variables and memory. When we create a variable in Python, the PVM sets aside a piece of memory to store its value. When we assign a value to that variable, the PVM stores the value in the memory location reserved for it. Python also uses a feature called garbage collection, which automatically frees up memory that is no longer in use. This helps prevent memory leaks and improves the overall performance of our program. Functions and execution. Functions in Python are blocks of code that perform specific tasks. When we call a function, the PVM jumps to that block of code, executes it, and once it's done, it returns to the line where the function was called, then continues executing the rest of the code. Loops and conditionals. Loops and conditionals are common control structures in Python. Loops allow us to repeat a block of code multiple times, while conditionals let us execute different blocks of code depending on certain conditions. When our code contains loops or conditionals, the PVM evaluates the conditions and executes the appropriate block of code based on the logic we've written. So there you have it, an overview of how Python programs actually work in the background. We cover the compilation and execution process, how Python handles variables and memory, how functions are executed, and how loops and conditionals are managed. Understanding how Python works under the hood can help us write more efficient and optimized code. So keep learning, keep coding, and keep exploring the amazing world of Python. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you in the next one.